A very good morning to all of you.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you, my dear Einsteins, Mr. and Miss Einsteins, isn't it? Mr. Einstein and Miss Einsteins, isn't it? Okay. I hope. Jodi, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the textbooks with you?
Yes, sir.
Do I believe? Okay. 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 Alan Joshi, how are you?
Fine, sir.
I think after the class you are on a travel. I think so. The
No, sir.
cap is ready for you, isn't it? For the travel. Okay. Anyway, okay. Now let us come to Einstein. So Einstein met his doctor, and doctor told, "Don't worry, I can understand you." Mepurath, do you follow? Do you have any problem? Navreen,
Yes, sir.
are you all right?
Yes, sir. I am okay.
Any problem?
No.
No problem. So Naureen has no problem. So Suzuki Samurai, isn't it? No problem means it is Suzuki Samurai. It is a name of an old motorbike. It is the name of an old motorbike. And its advertisement was like that. No problem. No problem. Sabri, when you purchase a motorbike, purchase Suzuki Samurai, isn't it? Okay, okay. So Shabri tells me that, sir, motorbikes jamana khatam ho gaya. Eh? Now it is the trend of luxurious cars. Okay. I know only about two-wheelers. That is why I speak about two-wheelers. Tushar, are you all right? Yes, sir. Okay. Page number 59. I don't really know how to describe my trouble. I think we have stopped there. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Isn't it? Adulya?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Don't try. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already told me everything about you. So you need not tell anything. I will write the prescription now. Some people seeing the patient, they will write the prescription. Seeing the patient, Anjana, seeing the patient, doctor will write the prescription. So Anjana will tell the doctor, sir, doctor, I have. So doctor will tell her everything I know. I know. You go and take this. Okay. So here the doctor says, don't tell me anything. I know what your problem is. Oh, what did he say to you? What did he say to you about me? Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown. He told me my friend will be coming. His name is Albert, and when he needs some certificates, and he will be with a nervous breakdown. You deal accordingly. So he told me that you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you mustn't go back to that school. So you have some mental problems, nervous breakdown, and you don't want to go back to your school. That is your problem. That is our problem also, isn't it? That is our problem also. We don't want to sit in front of the virtual classes. We do not want to sit in front of the mobile. But you give me the mobile. That's all. Jewel, isn't it? We don't want to sit in front of the virtual classes in the mobile. But Mama, you give me the mobile, that I will do it. only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you mustn't go back to that school. You want to go to some other school, but you do not want to go to that school. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. He should not have told you that, because now doctor knows what is the problem. Now the doctor knew that I am not a mental patient. Now how can he give the certificate? I have taken all these effort to act like a mental patient, and I want to present myself before the doctor as a real mental patient. Now, my friend told the doctor that I am not a mental patient, but he wants to be a mental patient. He wants to act like a mental patient, and the reason is that he doesn't want to go to the school. The secret is open now. That is why Albert says, Jesus Joseph, are you all right? Are you all right? Yes, okay. So he says, Yuri should not have told the doctor the real case. Why not? Isn't it true? That's the real thing, isn't it? Yes, that is the trouble. If I tell the truth, that will be a problem. If I tell the truth, Devika Girish, do you follow me? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
No
No,
problem. Or yes problem.
no problems.
Samurai. Okay, Suzuki Samurai. Okay. So, yes, that is the problem. Now you will say, there is nothing wrong with me, and you may go back to your school. That is the problem. I took all these efforts in order to keep myself away from the school. Clear now? He didn't want to go to the school. There are some fellows sitting here. You have made a number of cases like that. Devi Krishna, number of cases like that. Stomachache, fainting, weakness. I am thinking that I am going to get a fever. You see? I am going to get a fever. No, fever is not there. I am thinking fever is coming. It has reached Mala town. No, only 2 kilometers. It may come to me within half an hour. So I am taking leave. How many stories we have made? Meryl, Mama, today I feel some uneasiness. I can't attend. I can't sit properly, so I cannot attend the classes. So send a message to Josie sir that my daughter is not feeling well, so she may not be attending the classes today. Very easy thing. Easy. To post a letter in the post office, post box, easy thing. But to tell directly, Rosbinu, it is very difficult, isn't it? Okay, now. See, yes, that is the trouble. Now, you will say, there is nothing wrong with me. and you will tell me you may go to school. Don't be too sure of that. Don't think like that. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in a nervous state about that school. Very good, doctor. Doctor told, Niranjan, doctor told, don't worry, I will arrange everything for you. Clear now. What is your problem? You do not want to go to school, isn't it? Don't worry, man. Very good, doctor, isn't it? I will arrange everything for you. John Philip, that very good doctor, isn't it? Don't become such a doctor, isn't it? Okay. So he says, now looking at you, Gaya, looking at you, I feel, Gaya, looking at you, I feel that you are little nervous. You are little troubled. And as a doctor, I understand that the cause of the trouble is the school. The cause of the school, cause of your trouble is school, Mehrin, isn't it? You are feeling little troubled. And I understand that the problem of your problem is Joshi sir. Oh, Joshi sir is there, so I do not want to go. Mahavika, Prabil, isn't it? So doctor says, I know you are little troubled. You are little troubled. So you are really nervous. Eva, you are really nervous. You have a nervous breakdown. You need not act anything because you are under a problem. You are under a stress. The cause of your stress is your school. So easy way, don't go to school. Clear now? Do you follow? So you see, as a matter of fact, I am pretty sure, I am 100% sure, I am surely sure. You see, I am pretty sure, I am surely sure, I am confident that you are in a nervous state about that school. Sir, but I did not tell you anything about me. How can you know? It is a hypnotism. Is it a mesmerism? I did not tell anything about myself to you, and you speak everything to me. I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert. How can you know that? Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to nervous breakdown. That is why. You see, Dia, if you had a real mental problem, do you have real mental problem? No, no. Sure. Are you sure? Yes, yes. Dia is sure. Usually mad people say that I am not mad. You are mad, isn't it? So, okay, very good, very good. Okay, Dia. Elaine is so happy. Elaine is so happy. Okay. Yeah, please. Okay, okay. Just for a moment. Just for a moment. Okay. So the doctor says Eva thinks that what is this English class is going on or some other class is going on. Isn't it? You are thinking like that, sir. You read the lesson sentence by sentence and tell me the word meaning and let us go forward. Isn't it? Okay, this is not English class. Okay. So here you see the doctor says, really, if you had a mental problem, you would not have come to me because I am not an efficient doctor. If the real patient comes to me, I will not be able to help him. So since you had come to me, from that itself, I know that you are not a patient. Niranjan, got the point? Did you get the point? Why I take all these in detail? You need not study anything more. 80% you will get from the class for the board exams. Clear now? You need not refer any guide, any dictionary, anything, nothing. You have to attend the class. 80% is in the class. Okay. Okay now. So because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. That is why. Now, said the doctor briskly, if I certify that you have had a problem, must stay away from the school for a while, what will you do? This is a question asked by everybody. Suppose, imagine in your language, guess, make a guess. Array, Einstein, my dear Albert, suppose I give you a certificate. You have nervous breakdown. But I know you don't have the nervous breakdown. But I give you a nervous break. There are some people here. They are not attending the class for a long time and they have shortage of attendance. Shortage of attendance. Sarah, shortage of attendance. So teacher told you will not be able to write the exam. Sir, medical. I was sick. Emmeline was enjoying marriage party in Chennai for 1 week. When she came back, I asked her, where were you? Sir, I was not feeling well. I was sick. And she gives me a certificate, medical certificate. She has viral fever. No problem. Is in viral fever, everybody can come. I have viral fever. Doctor advised me to have rest for 5 days. She took 7 days. One is Saturday, one is Sunday, another is Saturday. Both are holidays. Monday to Friday, she took leave. She enjoyed the marriage in Chennai and she came back very safe. Am I right? So, very often we go for medical certificates. Tell the doctor, I did not go to school. You are becoming Einstein. You are going to the doctor and say, Pravil, we are going to doctor and say, doctor, I could not attend the class. I have some shortage of attendance and teacher is asking me a medical certificate. Please provide me a medical certificate. The same thing Albert Einstein had done 100 years ago. Albert Einstein is your forerunner. You are the grandchildren of Albert Einstein because you are doing what he had done 100 years ago. Am I right? Am I right, Aditya? Albert Einstein had done an act 100 years ago. And the same thing we are doing. Same thing. Albert Einstein went to the doctor and asked, sir, though I don't have the mental breakdown, nervous breakdown, please write on a paper that this boy has mental breakdown and he will not be able to attend the classes. So give him 6 months leave. Medical certificate. See here, come to the book. See, if I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown, I am writing, this boy has nervous breakdown and he is under my treatment. Buddha, tell me if I am going wrong. Buddha Dev is the most enlightened person. So he will tell us. Okay. And must stay away from the school. Not going to school. Tell me, what will you do? What will you do? I will go to Italy, said Albert. I will go to Milan. Milan is in Italy. I will go to Italy. I will go to Milan where my parents are. That means I will go to my parents. I am not asking you, where will you go? What did I ask you? What will you do? Question is different. Doctor asked one question. He gave another answer. Doctor didn't ask, where will you go? But he told he will be going to his parents. Doctor again asked, I asked you, what will you do? Question is there. What will you do? I will try to get into an Italian college or institute. I will get an admission in an Italian college or an institute. How can you, man, with the Patang class, with the class 10, how will you get an admission in the college? What are you saying? You don't have a diploma. You are running away from the diploma and you are trying to get an IIT admission. You see, Lakshmi is saying that I am the most intelligent girl in this batch. So I need not study +1, +2. I will get a direct admission in MBBS. Lakshmi. Einstein says like that. Huh. He passed only class 10. His father kept him for a diploma course. Intelligence is less to study a degree +2. So he was sent to Polytechnic. He was sent to some other diploma course. Clear now? Clear? That boy is a dropout of the diploma course. In his hand, there is only 10th certificate. Naurin, do you follow me? Albert Einstein has the 10th certificate. You people don't have the 10th certificate also. Isn't it? You people have no 10th certificate also. But Albert Einstein had the 10th certificate. After 10th, Navneet, after 10th, you have to go for 11th grade and 12th grade. If you pass the 12th grade, then only you will be able to go to college. Clear now? That is a procedure. That is why you are here. Because your parents want to send you to a higher education institute. They want to make you IITian. They want to make you doctors. Here Einstein came out of his +1, +2. He came out of his diploma course and he says, I will be getting an admission in a college, in an institute in Milan. You see, how can you, without a diploma, man? How can you get an admission in the college without a +2? Without a diploma? I will ask Josie sir to give me something about my assignment. Shabri, I will telephone to Josie sir and I will ask him to give me a certificate. I said, sir, I had done all my projects and assignments and art integration works, everything, full color print, Malavika, full color print and neatly written. So please give me a certificate. Very cunning fellow, isn't it? Very crooked brain. See, I will ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work underline. I will ask my mathematics teacher, those who are looking at the digital textbook and underline there, please save it at least. I see some are sitting in front of the digital e-textbook. When I say underline, after underline with color ink or highlighting, then you save it. Otherwise, what will happen? After the year, the textbook will be ready for sale. You can keep one board in front of your house. English textbook class 11 for sale, because you did not disturb it. So save it. Okay. It's underlined. I will Reem Fatima. All right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If Reem is okay, everybody is okay. Okay. So I will ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work. And perhaps that will be enough. That certificate itself is enough. Alan, Jofi, that certificate itself is enough. I have learned all the maths they teach at school. I didn't study geography. I didn't study history. I didn't study politics. I didn't study anything. But I studied mathematics. I have done all the exercises correctly on time. So my mathematics teacher is very happy with me. Atulya, where are you? Are you in the class? I think you have gone to bank
Yes.
for a minute. Okay. Okay. Be in the class. I told you, na, some are going without ticket somewhere else. गायब हो जाता है. Eh? Some are missing. Okay. Okay. Don't miss. Be inside the class. I will send you. I will send you with the ticket. I will send you. Okay. Don't travel without ticket. Okay. So I have learned all maths they teach me at school and a bit more. I have done extra mathematics, which we do not do, isn't it? In class 10, teacher gives 10 exercises and we do 5 exercises. Teacher asks, what about the 5? Teacher, are you free? You may do 5 exercises. That is our method, isn't it? Anjana, teacher gives, Umamis gives us 10 exercises. Anjana does only 5 exercises. She does not have time. So she telephones to Umamis. Umamis, do you have time, extra time? Teacher thought that she is going to ask some doubts. So Umamis told, yes, yes, I am free now. Miss, 6 to 10 exercises, you may do it. I have done 1 to 5. It is sharing, isn't it? But Albert Einstein was doing extra exercises by himself. By himself. And he added when Dr. Weil looked doubtful. Well, it is up to you. If you study or not, I don't mind. Jyoti Yoshi, if you study or not, I don't mind. It is up to you. It is up to you. I doubt if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself and anyone else much good by staying there, staying here. See, I doubt if it will come of you. I'm happy that if it works well with you, if it works well with you, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. Very good doctor, isn't it? You should go to such a doctor. Doctor made a report. Doctor made a final assessment, internal assessment. Internal assessment. What is assessment? I expect this certificate may do something good that you may become safe. And about you, I speak. Even if I didn't give you the certificate, and if you are not going to school, I personally have an impression about you, Alan, that there is no need of going to school. Clear now? If you are going to the school, there is no much use. It is better you need not go to school. That was advice from the doctor to Albert Einstein. So Albert Einstein was very happy. At least in this world, there is one person who is supporting me, isn't it? Who is supporting me? Uh, how long would you like me to say you should stay away from the school? Very good doctor. Doctor is asking the patient, how many days you want as a medical leave? How many days you want? Very good doctor, isn't it? Devi Krishna, will you be able to give me a medical certificate? And she is able to give 12 months. Okay, okay. She is saying that, let me ask my mama. Okay. Okay, now. So here the doctor asks Albert, how many months you need? Would 6 months be all right? Is it all right? Minimum 6 months. Are you satisfied? Happy? I'm very kind of you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. It is nothing. I have only just dropped being a student myself. So I know how you feel. I also had such kind of experiences when I was studying. So you need not say much. I can understand how much trouble you have in the school. Very good doctor, very good doctor. We should give Nobel Prize for him. Eh? Nobel Prize, Falke Award, all the trophies should be given to him, isn't it? The doctor says, I can understand how much stress you have in the school. I had undergone such kind of stress. Here you are. This is a certificate for you. Dr. Vale handed him the certificate. All the best. All the best. How much, sir? He is keeping his two fingers into the pocket and asking, how much, sir? Fees? Your fees? Oh, no. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. If you have anything spare, invite Yuri to a meal. I don't want any fees. Pavam Yuri, poor Yuri. You call him, go to a restaurant and have a cup of tea with him. Clear now? He is a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. Albert, underline, Albert had no money to spare. Our behavior, our behavior, our behavior. Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. He pretended. This is the thing that we are going to enact in the future years. You see, when you go for higher education, many of you will be going out of the city. You may be staying in the hostel. Gaya, I am talking about after 2 years activity. And you people will have many friends. On weekends, you will go to restaurants or cool bar with the friends. Have a weekend experience, Shabari. And Shabari has a thick purse without money. Thick purse. Many cards are kept there. Playing cards are kept inside. And the purse is bulged like something heavy. Shabari, very heavy, bulged. And his jeans pocket is bulging 1 kilometer backward because of the thickness of the purse. And they had chicken biryani and a Kamba Cola and some ice cream or something like that. And waiter brought the bill, diary kept there. We are going to do, that is why Einstein had done. So Shabari will do. No, I will pay. See, I will pay. But the purse is not coming out. By that time, the other person has taken the purse and took the money to the waiter. Shabari's purse is not coming out. Shabari, now, good boy. What I say is something is going to happen after 2-3 years. Purse will not come. This is the work. Clear now? Clear now? Albert Einstein was doing like that. Sir, how much? I'm ready to pay. How much? No, thank you. Nothing was there. Some paper bits are there. Clear now? Iva, do you follow me? Okay. So doctor understood. Doctor told, don't give me anything. If you have money, call your friend and go to a restaurant and have a cup of tea because he had done great lot for you. Clear now? Clear? He's a very good psychologist. Shabiri, he is a very good psychologist. He can understand the mind of Einstein. Isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. Yes, it is fine. Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period of time. Underline. 6 months is a good period of time. This way, you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. That we will see. I think almost it is too late. 4 minutes. I went ahead. You may have some other period. It is time. In the next class, we will go. We will see the next sentence. It needs little more time to explain. I cannot leave that sentence simply. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Let me end the class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome.